Government and health authorities are desperately looking for ways to curb the exponential rise in COVID-19 cases. And one solution they came up with is the no vaccination, no ride policy on public transport. Motoring Forum takes on the topic that seems to be fraught with controversy.
When anti-COVID-19 vaccinations became available last year, authorities took to encouraging people to get vaccinated, offering many incentives including offering vaccinated APORs free rides on public transport. The entry of a new, more infectious but less virulent variant of COVID-19 sparked an exponential rise in cases and prompted the IATF to raise Alert Level 3 in Metro Manila in hopes of stopping or controlling the surge. But with the surge continuing to break records almost daily, authorities have gone a step further, implementing a no vaccination, no ride policy in public transport in Metro Manila as long as it remains under Alert Level 3 or higher. The order came from the top, according to the DOTR. The president himself wants the policy implemented. The Metro Manila Council soon followed with the resolution putting the policy into effect, with the mayors also urged to issue respective ordinances. The DOTR defended the policy, saying that this is meant to protect all, whether vaccinated or unvaccinated individuals, to safeguard those that are most at risk, our healthcare system, and our exhausted medical workers amidst the recent surge of COVID-19 cases recorded in the country. The policy is also intended to prevent another public transport shutdown while keeping public transport operations safe and running. The Department of Industry, or DTI, supports a policy, saying this is needed as a surge in cases could severely affect industries. In a press statement, the DTI was reported to have said, "If we do not act now, all industries and business sectors will be severely affected. Either the businesses will minimize workers, cut down on some parts of their business, retrench employees, or shut down to cut down losses or pay off debts." Authorities anticipated the policy will spark objections and criticisms about it being draconian, anti-poor, or punitive. No Vaxx, no ride proponents argued that it is more anti-poor and anti-life if we will not impose interventions that will prevent loss of life due to non-vaccinations. The DOTR made clear that there is no restriction against traveling for the unvaccinated. Unvaccinated individuals are allowed to travel by using other means aside from public transport, it said. It also cited exemptions to the no ride, no vaccination policy. Exempted are persons with medical conditions that prevent their full COVID-19 vaccination and those who go out to buy essential goods and services. But these exempted persons need to provide proof, such as a duly signed medical certificate with the name and contact details of their doctor for medical exemptions, or duly issued barangay health pass or other proof to justify travel. The DOTR warns public transport operators that disobeying the policy are considered violations of applicable general safety and health provisions under any concession or service agreements, authority, or permits to operate. Despite the warning, some PV drivers are saying they won't strictly comply with the policy, saying they already aren't earning enough even before the policy was thought of. There's also the question of how the transport agencies will monitor and enforce compliance by transport operators of the no vaccine, no ride policy.
The jury is still out on whether the no vax, no ride policy will help curb the surge in COVID-19 cases. The numbers reported daily by the DOH are still not encouraging. That's our Motoring Forum this week, courtesy of Suzuki Philippines.